watching from the top.
Looking matte and gorgeous, very nice shade range, and as well, best part.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$92 just. Number player 68. Okay, betting time, and let's go. All right, bets are closed. Good luck. 5x cash hunt, y'all. Good luck. Let's go. Woo. Alrighty, guys. Cash on 5x. Beautiful. Bam. All right. So. Oh, and that is the 100x board as well. Wow. All right, guys. We got a bunch of 500x's. Let's go. We got so many 175s. This is a party, guys. This is a party. The duck, oh my gosh. Where do you see a duck over there? Show me one duck over there. I look more than a duck than any bird over there. Trust me, huh? Okay. Good luck, y'all. All right, I'm gonna choose something too for fun. Cactus, bottom. Cactus at the bottom. Okay. Last seconds. You know what I mean? Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 261,649 euros.
Got the 500x. Are you kidding me? Let's go. 3,200 winners in total. Well done. 51,000 Waleed, 5,100 Baki. Awesome. Here we go. Here we go.
Go to the other side. Don't block me for typing song text. Oh no. I wondered where did you go? Because I saw your message and then it I guess it disappeared. Yeah, because I didn't even read it. All right, good luck, everybody. Boom, here we go. Good luck to you. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? 10x on a crazy time for my top slot. I fixed it immediately. Oh, no way! Ain't no way! I'm gonna faint. Let's go win. Dance with the penguins. I can feel this is gonna be amazing. The question is, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? I don't think I am. All right, it's fine. We got a 10x. Please, we need something crazy here. With a crazy time after all, are we not? Okay, guys. 3 beautiful colors we have here. The yellow, the green, the blue. Well, you choose which one you want. Bam. Guys, I wish everybody best of luck. The highest multiplier, 1000x. Oh, here we go. Let's see what you can get here.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,964,065 euros.
Oh, welcome back. Everybody gets a 500x. Guys, good job. I'm so happy for you. All right.
3,600 winners in total. 11,000 Waleed, 2,600 Farao. Bam, let's go now. Okay, here we go. Hey, bet's close, you know what I mean? 5x cash hunt. Wow, we actually got it. You kidding me? Let's go. What was it? 5x again? Let's go. Whoa. Okay, guys, we got another cash hunt. Let's roll. Let's see what we guys got. Oh, that's the 100x board again. Wow. Kidding me? All right, 5x on top. And let's mix it up now. Okay, guys. Good luck. You know what I mean? Good luck in the reveal, guys.
This is the amount of money issued 346,679 euros.
Beautiful. 3,600 winners in total. Compliments everyone. 100,000 Walid, 6,500 for Bomber. Great. Woo. Alrighty. Here we go. All right.
Congratulations, all right? Betting time is yours, but if you want to have something like cheap but still amazing, then Essence. Oh yes, guys, the Essence lipsticks are fantastic. That's actually what I'm wearing today. Semi matte lipsticks from the Essence. Still amazing coverage, very lightweight. Well, still looking matte and gorgeous, very nice shade range. And as well, best part, they are like less than 3 euros. Less than 3 euros for lipstick. Cash hand with 20x multiplier in here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it might be a little bit too fast. Oh my days! Oh yeah, baby, cash hunt with a 20x multiplier. What is going on, guys? Okay, and look at the 100x. Are you joking? But wait! All right, 2,000x, the highest multiplier, guys. It's up to you now. You're not gonna be getting less than 200x, guys. I think so. Ladies and gentlemen, 20x multiplier already. Like, decision time is yours, guys. I'm still in a bit of shock state, guys. But yes, every single one of you, one shot at this. Where do you think that they are everywhere, guys? The high multipliers. Oh my days. All right, bring it on. And
This is the amount of money issued 1,055,930 for euros.
sing girls, 542 of you got the 2,000x. 500. Over like almost 600 of you got the 2,000x, guys. The high wins, the everything, guys. Yes, and yes. We love the TOPSLOT multiplier indeed, guys. We love this.
3,635 winners. Congratulations, guys. Shout out to the top 5 winners. Hey, I picked the cupcake next to me and it was a 100x. I said I will choose a cupcake. Did you get the 100? 100x, yes, cookie. 10x on Pachinko from the TOPSLOT. Eric, you got the 100x. I'm so happy for you. Okay, give me a Pachinko now, please. I'm so afraid to see. I'm so afraid to see where it lands. Oh my days. It's a Pachinko with 10x. Oh my What is going on? Oh my. Let's see what multipliers do we get. 5x is the lowest. 7, 10, 15, 20. 20 is the highest. Okay. Times 10. Okay. 200x. I mean, I'll still take it. I'll still take it. Okay. Good luck to all of you. Okay, where are we going? I mean,
This is the amount of money issued 195,756 euros.
good. 3,757 winners. Congratulations to all of you. Wow. Oh my. That is amazing. I was so afraid to see where it's going to land.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.